If you're planning to move to Germany, or maybe you have just arrived, I want to save you months, maybe even years of frustration. Because when I first came to Germany, I had a picture in my head of what life would be like. I thought if I learned some German, found a job, and worked hard, everything would fall into place. But the reality was very different. There were things nobody told me, things that shocked me, and things I wish I had known before stepping on that plane. And honestly, some of these lessons would have saved me tons of stress, confusion, and disappointment. So in this video, I'll share what I genuinely wish I had known before I moved to Germany. Not the tourist version, not the Instagram version, the real version. Now here's the lesson number one. Germany is amazing, but it's not easy. Let's start with the biggest one. Before moving to Germany, I thought Germany is a developed country, so life will automatically become easier. But what I didn't realize was this. Germany offers opportunities, but opportunities are not guarantees. You still have to build your life. You still have to learn the language. You still have to understand the system, and you still have to adapt. But Germany won't build your life for you. You have to build your life by your own. And understanding that early makes a huge difference. Lesson number two, German matters more than you think. Now this one is important. I knew that German was useful, but what I didn't know was how deeply it affects your entire experience. Most people think I will learn German later. I will survive with English. And yes, in some situations you can. But here's what nobody tells you. And this is a big one, which is the quality of your life is directly connected to your German skill. The better your German becomes, the easier it is to find jobs, make friends, or dealing with the bureaucracy. Everything becomes much easier for you when you know certain level of German. And this is actually why I always tell people, don't just prepare for Germany, prepare for life in Germany. Because learning the language is only one piece of the puzzle. The people who succeed long time in Germany are usually the ones who understands both the language and the lifestyle. If you're currently learning German or planning your future in Germany, make sure you're building practical skills, not just collecting grammar rules. And that's one of the reasons why I created the fast track A1, A2 and B1 courses. Let me tell you, if you're currently planning for your German exams, then these courses can be a game changer for you. And you can find the links to the courses down below in the description or in the pinned comment. Now let's continue. Lesson number 3, loneliness can hit hard. Moving to a new country sounds exciting, and it is. At first, everything feels new. Everything feels interesting, but eventually real life begins. And that's when many people experience something unexpected, which is the loneliness. Your family is not nearby. Your childhood friends are not nearby. And building a new social circle takes time, and sometimes a lot of time, especially in Germany. And this is one of the reasons many people eventually leave Germany. Not because of jobs or not because of money, because they never feel truly connected. Lesson number 4, German bureaucracy is real. You have probably heard people talk about German bureaucracy a lot. And let me tell you something, they are not lying. There will be forms, appointments, letters, documents, and then even more documents. At first, it can feel very overwhelming, especially if your German is not strong yet. The mistake many newcomers make is assuming everything works quickly. Yes, I understand German is organized, but organized doesn't always mean fast. Patience becomes a superpower here. Lesson number 5, your first year will probably be harder than expected. I thought once I arrive, things will start working out. What actually happened was, the first year was mostly about adapting, learning how things work, making mistakes, understanding the culture, improving the German language. And honestly, that's normal. Many newcomers think something is wrong because the first year feels difficult. Nothing is wrong, you're building a life completely from scratch. And that's supposed to be difficult. Lesson number 6, nobody cares where you come from. And I mean this in a positive way. Many people arrive in Germany worrying, will people accept me? Will they judge me? Will they take me seriously? Here's what I learned. Most people are focused on their own lives. What matters most is, can you do your job properly? Are you reliable? Are you respectful? Over time, those things matters far more than your nationality. Lesson number 7, Germany rewards consistency. Germany is not usually a country of overnight success. It's a country of steady progress. Learn German consistently, save your money consistently, improve skills consistently, and after a few years, the results can be incredible. Many newcomers underestimate how powerful consistency is. They focus on the next month, but Germany rewards people who think of the next 5 years. And here's the last and lesson number 8, which is you don't need a perfect plan. I wish someone had told me this. When people are preparing to move to Germany, they often think, I need everything figured out before I go. The perfect German level, the perfect job, the perfect plan, or the perfect future. But life doesn't work like that. Most people figure things out along the way. The important thing is not having all the answers. The important thing is being willing to adapt. Because trust me, your Germany journey probably won't go exactly as planned. And that's completely fine. So thanks for watching. That was for today's video. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And if you want to access all my crash courses like A1, A2 and B1, you can check out this playlist why I shared all my crash courses absolutely for free. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.